Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Monese, a popular mobile banking app that's available in many countries around the world. I've been using Monese for a while now, and I've found it to be a really useful tool for managing my finances. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, can I use Monese in the USA? I'll also discuss some of the pros and cons of using Monese in the USA. So, let's get started. What is Monese? Monese is a mobile banking app that allows you to create a bank account and debit card in minutes. You can use Monese to send and receive money, pay bills, and make purchases online and in-store. Monese is available in over 30 countries, and it supports a variety of currencies. Can I use Monese in the USA? Yes, you can use Monese in the USA. However, there are a few things you need to be aware of. Monese is not currently available to U.S. residents. However, you can still create a Monese account if you have a valid foreign address. Monese does not support U.S. dollars. However, you can still use your Monese card to make purchases in the USA. The transactions will be converted to your local currency. Monese charges a fee for using your card outside of the EEA. This fee is currently 2.5%. Pros and cons of using Monese in the USA. Pros. Monese is a convenient way to manage your finances while you're in the USA. Monese is available in over 30 countries, so you can use it wherever you travel. Monese offers a variety of features, including the ability to send and receive money, pay bills, and make purchases online and in-store. Cons. Monese is not currently available to U.S. residents. Monese does not support U.S. dollars. Monese charges a fee for using your card outside of the EEA. Monese can be a useful tool for managing your finances while you're in the USA. However, there are a few things you need to be aware of before you sign up. If you're a U.S. resident, you won't be able to create a Monese account. If you're not a U.S. resident, you can create a Monese account and use it to make purchases in the USA. However, you'll need to pay a fee for using your card outside of the EEA. Overall, I think Monese is a great option for travelers who want a convenient and affordable way to manage their finances while they're abroad. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.